Hi, I'm Mick Sadler, and today we're going to do still life stroke product photography using speedlights. You can buy manufacturer speedlights and they're quite expensive, but you get TTL and everything. But I'm just using a basic Yongnuo. This is actually a YN563 speedlight. Now they've probably got a newer version of this, but they're very low cost, and we can do everything on manual anyway. Okay, the way we're going to get our exposure is by trial and error. So first of all, set your camera on your flash sync speed. Mine is 125th. And set your aperture between about f8, f11 to give you a reasonable depth of field. Now, what you want to do is start off with your flash on manual about an 1/8 power. So you take a shot. If it's too dark, then you need to increase the power from an 1/8 power to 1/4 of a power of the flash. If it's too light, then you want to reduce the power of the flash. So you want to go from an 1/8 to a 1/16, and then eventually you'll get to where your correct exposure is. So this is the setup. We've got a small vase of flowers, and we've got a camera with a speedlight on top. The rubber band is to just hold the batteries in because that's sort of broken on that one. I'm going to bounce the light off the white ceiling down onto the flowers. The next one, we're going to combine one a speedlight on the side, and the third would be a reflector. So we're just starting with the bounce flash, and that's only one speedlight is working now. So this is the result, and you can see it's quite soft, nice soft. Right, we're setting the side speedlight in place, and we're going to combine both speedlights now. And you'll have to sort of vary the power of each flash to get a good balance. So this, you can see the side light has come on, it's giving a bit of a shadow, and the flower's a little bit sharper. So we're going to lower the flash from the side now, and we're going to turn off the bounce flash. And you can see now that we've got quite a contrasty type shot now, more definition in the flowers. So we're going to turn the speedlight to an angle so that it's basically falling on the flowers only and not on the backdrop, which is just a piece of white card. And you can see we kept the flash off the background. It's turned it into a grey, even though it's white, and gives quite a nice effect. So now we're going to come up and use this speedlight from the side, and we're going to reflect a bit of light. Right, so you can see that we've added a bit of light back in, which gives a nice sharp result, but on the right it's getting a little bit dark there. So this is going to show you the combination of the results of the three images. This is the second image. This is a bounce one, which is altogether softer than the previous one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. As you can see in the pictures, We've got a macro set up there with a flower, with our clamp holding the flower, and a card up there somewhere will show you how we made it. Quite an old video, but you can make one for next to nothing. So if you've got any comments, leave them down below, and we'll see you again next time.